Good morning, fam. This is another day in Goa. Let's grab a quick breakfast. The plan is to work out, then we'll see what to do with the rest of the day. But working out is very essential. Let's just get that out of the way. Slept all right. Yeah, I feel okay.
It's cleaner, bro.
लाते ही कर ले फिर मजा आए जिसको सबसे ज्यादा भूख लगी थी वही तो आया नहीं
Alright, then breakfast is done. Chilled for a bit, now headed to the gym. Last night we got back at 5 in the morning. We were at this place called Juna. It was pretty sad, but it picked up for a bit. Just chilling. I don't know how many sparkling waters I might have had. Maybe like 4. Hi, John. Good morning. So yeah, that was the evening. Good food at Izumi was had. Izumi is a pretty nice place. Now, what I want to do is, I have to get some work done. Yeah, okay. What was I saying? So we got back at 5 in the morning, but I had 2 mocktails at Izumi. They were pretty good, but they had a bit of sugar in it and a lot of ice. But good crowd, man. Izumi had good crowd, good set of people. Then we proceeded to room number 1 from there. Room number 1 was basically empty. Then we proceeded to Juna. It was basically empty, but still it picked up for a bit. We got chatting with a couple of people from Mumbai. So that was all fun. Got back at 4, chilled until 5, slept, woke up at 11. So, you know, that's how it's going. But I feel okay. I'm very sleepy. Gonna go grab a coffee right now at this place called Unseen, which is like right next door in Asagao. So, if you're coming to Goa, try to stay in Asagao. It's really worth it. And uske baad, these guys want to get lunch and a massage, right? I really want a good foot massage, like strong hands. So they've seen this spa around. I'll get a foot massage if possible, but right now the gym is the priority. This is Friday. It's the last day of the week where we have to strength train. Let's get it done. Also, I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm not enjoying driving the Thar that much. It's very wobbly, and Goa has streets that can be wobbly, right? These speed breakers tend to be very unscientific. But we've reached this place after a 1-minute drive called Unseen. बाहर से तो ठीक ठाक लग रही थी, so I got tempted to try it out. Hi. Hello, sir. Just for one. You have Wi-Fi? Yeah, you do. Okay. I'll just sit here. You have a
7 to 10.
7 to 10 for breakfast.
No.
Oh, in the night.
Breakfast, all day breakfast.
All day. Smoothies. You have a peanut butter. Okay, I'll grab a smoothie on the way back. Let's try the Oat Life right now. Yeah? Thanks, boss. All right. Look at the interior, seem damn vibey. Check it out. This is very similar to a coffee shop in Singapore. I've been researching for Singapore because we're going, right? So this is good. They have Wi-Fi, they have good smoothies, food, coffees. So let's see how it is. If it's good, I'm gonna come here for breakfast tomorrow. And if it's good on the way back, I'm gonna pick up a protein smoothie. Protein shake bhi carry kiya maine, protein powder. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Let's get some work done. That coffee was beautiful. I really like this cafe. Now headed for a workout. I'm a little late. Yeah, so I'm a little late. I might have to skip lunch with friends. But that's okay. The gym needs to get done, man. Just needs to get out of the way. I had really good, everyone says, I really could move here. But theek thak jagah yaar. Come here once in a while, stay for a bit, go back to your house. It all boils down to purpose because this doesn't really feel like an escape. I'm pretty much doing the same things anyway. You guys are very well aware of my daily routine, so. Alright, back here now. Let's get the workout sorted. workout is done. It was just 30 minutes, to be honest. Why would I lie to you? But because this is deload week, right? After this, we begin with accumulation. This is deload week, that's why the workout was just 30 minutes. Then we begin with accumulation once again. So we're gonna do some progressive overload and basically go really hard next week onwards. So excited for that. Now these guys are going to Burger Factory in More Gym, which is like 30 minutes from here. So I'm just gonna drive there. I haven't showered yet, but that's okay, I'll shower after that. After bathing, I'll also take a massage, a foot massage or something, and then get ready for the evening. But yeah, pretty chill day. Also wanted to take out some time to read, but koi gal nahi. You know how it is with the boys. It's such a good time though. And there are such different opinions in the same room, and at breakfast we started talking politics. So one guy is a fervent supporter of BJP, one guy is fervently against. And it was such a nice conversation. Like, it didn't get heated. They had such different opinions, but they could place their opinions without wanting to kill each other, which is how it should be. That is debate, that is a democracy, right? So that also requires a bit of self-work, to be honest. So that was nice. Whether I agree with certain opinions or not is of course not the subject matter of this conversation. A burger khate acha tha, some chicken burger. Let's go, son. Check out these sadka, man. Looks really something. Nazare. And imagine we came in the monsoons. So in the monsoons it was killer. Like right now it's amazing, but you can imagine how vivid green it can be when it's raining. So we're at Burger Factory and the views are amazing, man. It's right next to the beach. The weather is good. So good.
Take a right, take a left.
We also got lost.
तो तुम लोग कहीं आगे निकल गए?
बिल्कुल गुंडे लग रहे हैं.
हाँ?
गुंडे लग रहे थे.
गुंडे लग रहे हैं. असली गुंडा तो ये ट्रैफिक लाइट गुंडा.
It's self-explanatory, na? What are we getting? Chicken burger.
रोमियो लेन
रोमियो ले.
आज उधर जाके चला देगा केपेबल
Per person 500 ki per bed?
Same thing.
Same. We can share also.
Yeah, you want to be two dudes on a bed.
देने के टाइम में भाग जाएगा. देने के टाइम में भाग जाएगा. ट्रैप है.
भाई I think he'll pay दुगना.
पहले आप बोलिए कि निकाले पैसे निकाले फिर करें. निकल पैसे तो निकलवाए पहले इससे.
आप इसे रख लेना मेरा कोलैटरल है. रेजिस्टेंस स्ट्रांग करो इनकी. ईटा उठा है उससे करो.
75 hard निकल गई.
Was he doing it like this for you?
हाँ.
ये भी कर सकते हैं इसमें.
उसमें सेल्स लगाना है तो एंड में
नहीं
लगा दीजिए.
लगा रहे.
He's actually signing up for this.
Our brain बात हो रही है.
Good luck getting lucky.
निकल जाएंगे ना अगर निकालने होंगे.
हो जाएगा टेम्पर वाले यार. तो कितना दिन चाहिए इतना दिन रख सकते हो.
2 दिन तो एटलीस्ट रखते हैं.
15 तारीख तक.
एंड में नोट दिखाऊंगी. नोट खींचने के बाद निकल जाएगा.
Odit, it's looking nice.
अब एक एक कराना.
I don't know.
एक एक साइड से एक एक
It's doing cool यार.
सब लोग का फोटो है.
हम पैसा लेते हैं।
आप ऐसे कर सकते हो, ऐसे लटके हुए साइड
साइड से लटकने वाला भी।
नहीं लटकने वाला नहीं।
इनका
ये
कोई
चेक करना
इनका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
ये निकल तो जाएगा ना आराम से।
निकल जाएगा भैया, ये बहुत इजी है निकालने।
But go में मत निकालिए, it's looking good. It's a conversation starter. It's gonna be very easy now.
कहेंगे चूक दिया, ये कहाँ से आ गया?
नहीं कहेंगे, क्यों कहेंगे?
करनी पड़ेगी।
अब now you can say whatever, अब उन्हें बुरा नहीं लगेगा।
They'll say it regardless. You got a retriever, na?
I have 2.
2 retrievers.
Yeah.
Then I'm great. I feel safe.
Recommendations and all from your page.
Yeah, I think for Goa, I mean, her page also, and my.
Okay, we're finally back. What a long day. While we were having coffee, we bumped into 2 content creators, Chaitali Verma and Srishti Terry. Pretty interesting people actually. Chaitali's from Sanar. But anyway, cool day. Now we'll get ready, get dressed, head out for dinner somewhere. Good day. Day 2 Goa. Hope you enjoyed it. Now we're gonna just quickly sign off and see you tomorrow. Let's go.